Peter Sam was upset. If it wasn't for your stupid antics with the coaches, I would have been able to see the market day festivities. Scarlowy said it wasn't my fault. Well, it was certainly your fault more than mine. It just reminded me of back home. Oh, Stuart, we are home now. Yes, it just feels so different. I know what you mean. Tell you what, I'll make it up to you. Yeah? How so? We'll have our own party here at our new home. And how will you do that? Sir Handel fell silent, and Peter Sam sulked sadly away. Over the next few days, Sir Handel wrapped his brain around how to throw a party for Peter Sam. You see, Sir Handel is naturally very grumpy, and he often squabbles with Peter Sam, but they had been through so much together and were the closest things to brothers they each had. As such, he felt awful that Peter Sam didn't get to see the Market Day celebrations. 3 days after Sir Handel's pledge, his crew confronted him. You've been suspiciously quiet lately. Yes, we just got done a run from the slate quarry. You should be enraged right about now. I'm just thinking. Oh, a new one for you. Sir Handel gave him a look. I've been thinking about how to throw a party for Peter Sam. Doing something nice for someone else? Why the change? Well, I feel bad about him being forced to miss the Market Day festivities, so I'd like to throw him a party to make him feel better. Oh, that's rather sweet of you. Yes, the problem is, I have no idea how the hell to throw a party. How about me and Steve here invite all the employees of the railway to the sheds for a get-together? That's perfect. Should we get those decoration things? I've got some old lights from last year's Christmas party in my shed. Excellent. Can someone please bring some music? Oh, and food, too, for you guys. Leave it to us. Sir Handel was over the moon and had a spring in his step for the rest of the day. The coaches were so pleased that they didn't even give him any trouble. He was still beaming when he got back to the sheds that night. He had been out late with the maintenance train. Peter Sam looked over suspicious. What's got you in such a good mood? You'll see. And with that, Sir Handel said no more as he went to sleep. The next morning, Sir Handel's crew talked to him when Peter Sam left. I've got some food, and Dave is bringing a record player, and Lenny is bringing some of his new records. I left the decorations in the office. We'll put them up later. Great. We'll have them all set up before Peter Sam gets back. It's his turn with the maintenance crew. All the workmen were excited, and even the thing controller and owner agreed to come. They all kept it a secret from Peter Sam. Sir Handel talked to the coaches. I know we haven't always gotten along. That is an understatement. Well, we all love Peter Sam, and I'm throwing him a party to help make up for you girls making it so he couldn't go to the Market Day party. Oh yes, we had almost forgotten about that. Yes, well he hasn't. You owe it to him. Can you please all come? I guess we could make an appearance. Wonderful. It was all ready until snow began to fall at noon. The temperature dropped and suddenly the party in front of an open shed seemed impossible. Sir Handel was devastated. We could just move it all to another day. Everyone's using their free time for this, and all the food will spoil. The fireman came up with a plan, but he didn't tell Sir Handel. He arrived home first from his last train that night and shunted the coaches into their shed. Then he went sadly to sleep. But before long, wake up, boy, wake up! Sir Handel woke up to find the shed covered in workmen. They had assembled a small bonfire and were hanging decorations. A small wooden sign said "Railway Party." Sir Handel was overjoyed and hurriedly got rubbed down. Peter Sam arrived to find music playing and all the workmen chatting and having a good time.
What's all this?
It's your party, Stuart. I told you I'd give you one.
I can't believe it. Thank you, Falcon.
Sir Handel felt a warm glow inside him that his fire could not justify as he saw the happy look on Peter Sam's face. He never liked parties, or people for that matter, but it had been all worth it to see Peter Sam smile for the first time in days.